Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows without gelatin and corn syrup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of aquafaba, which is the liquid from canned chickpeas, along with 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Also, have ready 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Finally, prepare a dusting mixture of 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now, let's prepare our agar-agar syrup. In a saucepan, combine the 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder. Place this mixture over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil, whisking continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you have a candy thermometer, cook the syrup until it reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the softball stage. This ensures the perfect marshmallow texture. Next, we'll create the fluffy base. In a stand mixer, whip the 1/2 cup of aquafaba with 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar on high speed until stiff peaks form, which usually takes about 10 minutes. With the mixer still running, slowly and carefully drizzle the hot agar-agar syrup into the whipped aquafaba. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue beating for several minutes until the mixture becomes glossy, thick, and resembles marshmallow fluff. For the final step, prepare a 9-inch square pan by dusting it generously with your powdered sugar and cornstarch mixture. Pour the warm marshmallow mixture into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Loosely cover the pan and let the marshmallows set at room temperature for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or ideally overnight. Once firm, cut them into squares and roll each side in the remaining dusting mixture to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade, gelatin-free marshmallows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.